Ngatho muno ni undu wa gugicoka mumemerekia Muthoni wa Kirumba has shared with her fans ndeto cia ruo. She has been thrown into very deep mourning kiroko kia umuthi kuria Kezia wa Kariuki nginyagia Jerry wa Muigai meyumiria gukorwo makiumireria Muthoni wa Kirumba na njira nene muno. Her fans ni macakaya gikuo giki kionekana kuhota Muthoni wa Kirumba magituma ndumiriri ciao cia pole kugerera nenda cia ukinyaniria. Muthoni ugite mundu wa mwanya muno muturire-ini wake ni araikitie kuhuruka. Muthoni akiuga this is a very special person na hurukite thutha wa gukorwo agitanahirwo na a bouncing baby girl. That message igitiga andu aingi muno makihotetwo. This is the photo of the special person Muthoni agikorwo agishare very close to her who passed away after gutanahirwo na kairetu kanaga kairetu. Muthoni agitariria ndeto ino makiria akorwo agiposti ndumiriri ino akiandikana kuga death, you are so cruel, you took away this beautiful soul a few hours after giving birth a beautiful bouncing baby girl. Akionekana makuhotwo muno akiuga rest well sira wito, losing life while giving life. Muthoni akiumburira muingi ati this beautiful lady, this beautiful soul was a closest friend of hers, ali murata wa hakuhe muno nake, a very close friend, na akorirwo akihuruka thutha wa gukorwo agitanahirwo na a bouncing beautiful baby girl. Muthoni akiumirerio ni andu ta Jerry wa Muigai nginyagia Kezia wa Kariuki aria mahutio ni ndumiriri iyo agikorwo agishare kugerera nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria. Ona ithuĩ tugatuma pole citu kuri Muthoni na family ya this close friend of hers ni gukorwo makilose mundu wa hakuhi nao. Make sure no turn on your notification wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.